A wealthy businessman, a very happy family, multiple bank accounts, good amount of money, lavish lifestyle, bank lockers having good amount of money in them, insurances, investments all in place. And yet, due to the sad demise of the person, nothing ever went to the ones who deserved it most. What would have gone wrong here? Everything was in place, isn't it? To find out more, stay invested on this video and let's find out what exactly went wrong. When we open up a bank account, we are supposed to write about them. When we take a life insurance or investments, we are supposed to write about them. When we take a bank deposit, when we open up a bank locker, we are supposed to write about them. For a matter of fact, even when we take a vehicle insurance, we are supposed to write about them. What is it that I am talking about? It is nothing but writing a nomination. Nomination is important in almost each and everything that you transact in. It may be your bank lockers, it may be your savings accounts, it may be your current account, it may be your insurances, your investments. Everything requires a nomination to be done. Let us first find out what is nomination. Nomination, if I put it in a very simple language, is nothing but nominating the ones who we want all the money to go to. It could be assets, it could be your investments, it could be the insurance money, it could be the locker, the things kept in the locker. It could be anything that you would want to give to the person who has to be nominated in those papers. Let me ask you a simple question. Why do we do investments? Why do we take insurances? Why do we keep money in the savings bank account? Why do we keep all our valuables in the locker? Do I need to take it back in heaven? No, it is for someone else. It is for the near and dear ones. And that is exactly what I am trying to hint at. And this is exactly why nominations are required. All the investments, all the savings that we have done over the years has to go to someone. Those someones could be your near and dear ones. But we need to document their name and details so that it goes smoothly to the ones whom we intend to give. Are nominations mandatory? Of course not. Just imagine the case that I told you about the wealthy businessman. Since he did not nominate, how do you think that the money would ever go to the nominees, to the people whom he wanted the money to go to? It can never go smoothly because the bank authorities, different authorities, the investment authorities, the insurance authorities will ask for umpteen number of papers to prove that you are the legal heirs of this particular investments, insurance amounts as well as the locker valuables. To avoid all of this, nominations becomes extremely important. In today's time, I would even go and stick my neck out and say that nominations are extremely important and mandatory as well in case if you want to avoid the hassles of going around and collecting a lot of documents. Is there any restriction in terms of nominating? Of course not. Anybody who has an account, anybody who has done the investments, of course they need to be major, above 18 years. They can nominate whomsoever they want to. Are there any restrictions in terms of nominating? There aren't any restrictions in terms of nominating. I could nominate anybody, provided I am a major, above 18 years, and I have any of these investments, insurances in place. I can nominate the ones whom I want this particular proceeds to go to. Let's imagine this situation. After looking at this video, you find out that some of your investments and insurances do not have any nominations. What do we do? Can we nominate someone right now? Of course you can. You can nominate anybody whom you want to at any given point of time. There is no such time restriction. Do I always need to nominate my family members? It's not necessary. Ideally, it should be your family members, your parents. If not, in case if you want to write your friend's name or someone else, you could always do that. But make sure that they too know about the arrangements that you have done and you have nominated them in some of your investments and insurances. Always remember, whenever we write the nominee name, there is always a column which mentions we need to write the relationship of the nominee with us. So make sure you write the correct detail. Can I change my nomination at any given point of time? Let us look at one example. Most of the times before marriage we write mom as a nominee. Post marriage we usually would want to change it to our wife. Can we do that? Yes, of course, we can change our nominations at any given point of time as many times as possible. You need to remember one important point: the will always supersede the nominations. कल करे सो आज करे सो अब. Common adage that we have been hearing over the years. It is time that we look into all our investments, insurances, the bank deposits, bank savings accounts, etc., and look for whether we have nominated. Because whatever that we do is not for us, it is for someone else, it is for our near and dear ones. It is time that we keep the nominations in place so that whatever that we have saved for our near and dear ones should go to them smoothly without any hassles. As I told you earlier, remember, a will always supersede all the nominations that you would have done in all your investments and insurances. Till next Thursday with yet another video, this is Rajesh Attangadi, Guru Guruvar.